front of it. In dressing gown and slippers, he told him river stories until supper time. Thrilling stories they were too. And to an earth-dwelling animal like Mole, stories about weirs and sudden floods, leaping pike and herons, adventures down drains and night fishing with otter, excursions far afield with badger. Until eventually it was time for supper. Supper was a most cheerful meal. But shortly afterwards, a terribly sleepy mole had to be escorted upstairs to the best bedroom, where he laid his head on his pillow in great peace and contentment, knowing his new-found friend the river was lapping the sill of his window.